Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to take a look at this quick Vicseed car sunshade. We're going to install it into the glass roof of my Tesla Model Y here, and we're just going to see, does it provide protection from the sun and do what it says. To note, this was provided to me from the company for review, however all my thoughts and reviews in this video are my own. So let's get started. Okay, so let's do a quick unboxing. Here's the car sunshade in the box that it comes with here. Pull that out, and we've got a nice little carrying bag that you can keep it stored in when you're not using it. Let's just open up that bag real quick. Inside it comes with this box of clips, and we'll probably be using those to attach it to the actual windshield. And then we've got the sunshade itself here. And as you can see, this is just two different pieces of fabric. This side has a reflective material on it, and this side, which will be facing the cabin, has a just normal finish. To unfold it, we'll just grab it, pull it apart, and there we go. Lightweight, easy to install. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna install the sunshade. Bear in mind, it's a little awkward to film on video, but basically I'm gonna just throw it above me on the window, and then I'm gonna take these little clips that are provided and just attach them, and they just snap right onto the edge here. And we're just gonna put a couple around the perimeter and start sliding it into place. And these clips basically hold the sunshade up into the roof. So I've already got the front two on. Let's just throw a couple on the side here. And then just two more on this side. And as you can see, this is really quick. And then just push it tight. Make sure it has a good seal with that rear piece. And that's it, it's installed. So just to follow up now, I've had this sunshade installed for about a week now, and I've been using it every day, and I've been really impressed overall with the performance of it. I've had my car sitting out in the sun on a few days here this past week where it was almost 100 degrees out, and you know, it performed extremely well, blocking most of the sun. When I got back in the car at the end of the day, I noticed it was a hair cooler, and it definitely cooled back down quicker with the AC. Versus not having this shade on. So that's a really nice benefit. Also, when I'm driving with it, I find that I kind of like that there's not a bright, sun coming through the tinted glass like it would be, without this shade installed. Kind of just a nice, little bit nicer just driving around. Fit-wise, it fits perfectly. It's custom designed for my for a Tesla Model Y, and it fits all the edges perfectly. There's no sag or anything. I'm pretty tall at about 6'5", so headroom is always, extremely important for me and something I look for. And this shade really didn't affect my headroom at all. It's pretty much, just up there out of the way. And if you want to remove it, in the winter time, it's super easy to just pull it back down, fold it up, and then you can throw it in the trunk or, throw it in your closet and not worry about it. So I'm really impressed with this overall. Again, this is my own opinion, not being paid or anything to say this. I would easily recommend this to friends and family, or really anyone that has a Tesla and wants a little bit more sun protection. And then one other benefit that's kind of cool is, since it is in two pieces, there's the rear piece and the front piece here, you can install just one or the other. So if you just want a little shade over your head while you're driving, but you don't want it over the back, or vice versa, maybe you just want shade over the back for kids or something, you can do that. You don't have to install both panels. So it gives you a little bit of flexibility, which is nice as well. And if you're interested in purchasing one of these for your Tesla, go ahead and check out the link in the description. There's a discount code there where you can get a little bit off the purchase price. So that about wraps it up. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you later.